guys, welcome back to another video. And today I thought it would just be like fun to like show you all my pets and stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with it. So first we are starting over here with my lizard. She's right there. Yeah, that's really all the show about her. So let's just go on with the next one. Oh, this one's just right here. This one is Leo. Say hi, Leo. Leo's not really a people kitty. Yeah. Leo the lion. And he's gone. Oh, here's the other one. Hey, Domino, come here. Domino. Domino. Well, I have to come to you. I'll be right back. Come here, Domino. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop! This is Domino. Domino, say hi. Stop. This is Domino. I'm not hurting her, so don't worry. Go ahead, get on the couch. I don't care. Go. Good girl. Leo's, I think, is going to sleep. Oh, I'm watching the Angry Birds movie. She really likes that blanket right there. I don't know what it is, but she just really likes it. Good Leo. Bleh. On to the next 4. The other one's outside, so I'm not going to be going out there, but it's my dog that you're going to be seeing in most of the other videos, so don't worry about that. Let's go on to the next 4. This is my guinea pig. Hey, buddy. Buddy. Come on. You can see, there he is. So good. Just close the key back up. And this is Spartacus. Let me see if I can get him out. Spartacus, get out. Here's Spartacus. On your wheel. On your wheel, Spartacus. What are you doing, dum-dum? Okay, he does not want to be bothered. And the third one is in my sister's room, so he looks like this dude, only bigger, about that big. Onto the... Oh yeah, and I dyed my bangs and the back of my hair and stuff. So, yeah. Let's go on to the 4th one. Alright, so this one right here, his name is Nicodemus. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get him some food. Hey, Sam? Do you know where the hamster's food is? Hey, don't go in there. Found it. We are the lion. Look at you, you're the lion. Look at you. Look at you, you're so handsome. Look at you, you're so handsome. Yeah, you're so handsome. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Get away from there. You, come here. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Being a cat? Yeah, that's what I thought. Go. Don't push. No. What are you? Come here. Come here. Meow, meow. So, why is it at 6 minutes? I guess it took longer than I thought. Well, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And if you did subscribe, make sure to say down in the comments that you subscribed. So, yeah. Bye. Can you say bye, Domino? Say bye. Can you say bye, Leo? Say bye, Leo. Oh, yeah.